time. At 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 41 nautical miles southwest of Alcala City, Water, 163 nautical miles south of Pensacola Pass, moving northwest at 10 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source: radar. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create local hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly clear winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Here's your marine